room.
Oh, the dining room, right. The bed. Come on.
Here's your table, Mr. Lawnmower.
Oh, hi there.
Hi, Cookie Monster. This is Mr. Lawnmower. He's very hungry.
Oh, well, you come to right place. Your menu.
No, Mr. Lawnmower, don't eat the menu.
It's not for eating, it's for choosing your meal. Oh, he says he wants everything on the menu.
Whoa, that big order. Okay, coming right up, goat.
Hey, that's my sandwich. Oh, sorry, Mr. Dahl.
Boy, Mr. Lawnmower is really hungry.
Oh, no, he's eating the tablecloth.
Oh, no. Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster.
Yep, there you have it, goat. Everything on menu.
Oh, he'd like some black pepper, please.
Yeah, me have it right here. Remind me of dinners with me mommy.
Oh, dear. Well, he's still hungry. He wants more.
More?
Okay, that big problem, because we got no more food in hotel.
Are you sure?
Oh, well, except for Cookie. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom, nom. Now, no more food in hotel.
Now he's eating the curtain.
We need to find him some food to eat before he eats everything in the dining room. Maybe Mum has a sandwich she can give him. She always has a sandwich right about now.
That's a great idea. Mr. Lawnmower, Mr. Lawnmower. Sandwich. That's right, that's right.